Today, we are going to be proving the volume of a sphere formula, which is this is the formula, and we'll be proving it today. To start off with, we will imagine a semicircle in the xy plane. Now, if we assume this positive as the radius and this side is negative r, what we can do is imagine if this semicircle is rotated about the x-axis 360 degrees, making a sort of spherical shape. What we can do is, there's actually a formula for this. If we zoom in into this, each thickness of the sphere, imagine a sphere cut up into very thin pieces, each with a thickness of dx. If the distance is dx, the radius is r. To find the volume of this cylinder, it would be pi r squared times dx. And that's just a fact. Now, this r value, if we look at our original semicircle, this r value is the function value of our semicircle. So we can replace this with our function. So pi times f of x squared dx. Now, this will be the volume of one cylinder. If we divide this sphere into infinitesimally small cylinders, thin cylinders, we would use an integral to find the volume of all of them. Now, this would be the integral from negative r to positive r of pi times f of x, which in the case of this, the formula is y is equal to square root of r squared minus x squared. We plug this into the formula. Square root of r squared minus x squared dx. Now, our job is to find this integral, and that will be the volume of our sphere. So this, pi as a constant, we will take that out of the integral, times the square of this function, which is the square root. That will cancel out to make r squared minus x squared dx. Now, another thing, since this inside is an even function and it's of course a symmetrical interval, we can divide this, multiply by 2, and make it from 0 to r, since from negative r to positive r. That's just to make it a bit more simpler at the end. Making r squared minus x squared dx. Simplifying this further, this will be, now actually time to integrate this. This will be r squared x minus x cubed on 3, integrated from 0 to positive r. This would be, now 0 to cancel everything out, this would be r cubed minus r cubed on 3. Simplifying this, we would get 2r cubed over 3. And our final simplification will lead to the volume being 4 pi on 3 times r cubed. And that is the formula of a sphere.